Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a good start to the week. We had a pretty solid start to the week. We took one trade on GJ, which almost hit 65 pips. It was a good fire start to the week, especially with the current market conditions. In today's video, we're gonna try to flip a $10 account almost to $10,000 account. It's more of an experiment. It's not a challenge, and we're just gonna have fun with it. We're gonna see if it's possible trading with one confluence and trying to flip a $10 account almost to $10,000 account. We'll take about 5 to 4 trades today and see where things goes. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at ZaneTrade, so ZANETRADE. And make sure you guys join the free Telegram that I will be linking it in the description. So as you guys can see, we have $10 in this account, and we're gonna try to see if we can flip this $10 up to $10,000 with just trading trendline. So for this episode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 5 trades, 1 trade per each pair. But since we're on GJ, let's start analyzing GJ. So coming up to the monthly, as you guys can see, our monthly trend line, the way I draw my trend line is from the highest high to the lowest low. I try to lock in price as much as I can. Let's go down to 30 minute. So in 30 minute, as you guys can see, we have a little structure here, a channel from low to high. So looking at 5-minute time frame, as you guys can see, we're almost about to disrespect this trend line here. So if we do disrespect this trend line here, we're gonna set a sell stop at 163.550. So our first sell is at 550, 10 pip stop loss, and our first take profit will be 10 pips. So let's analyze EU. Mind you, I've never traded EU in my whole entire life. So as you guys can see on EU, we're already disrespecting this trend line here. Gonna wait for a little pullback and try to enter on the pullback. But if not, we can try to enter here at 980. So EU 98250, our stop loss 98250. Our stop loss will be, our sell stop will be right here 250, and our stop loss will be here. First take profit will be here, and we're active on this trade. It looks like EU trade is flipping over. If we do hit the stop loss, most likely we might blow the account, but let's see how it goes. So currently, as you guys can see, we're in drawdown in about $1.40, and this is how the EU trade is going. As long as we disrespect this low here, we should be good at least till 10 pips. But the GJ trade here, we're still not activated. And if we do get activated, I will update you guys as soon as we do get activated. So currently, as you guys can see, we're in profit about 80 cents on EU. Let's see if we can hit our take profit. And so far for GJ, we haven't got it activated, but the EU trade is in profit. So I ended up closing almost half of the trade because I didn't want it to risk half of the account on EU. So I closed about 0.4 lot on EU. So now we have 0.1 lot running, since I made that mistake on opening 0.5 lot size on EU. So I placed another buy stop on EJ at 142.65. The reason why we did it is because of this little trend line right here. So once this trend line is broken, we're gonna enter the buys and see if we can hit our 10 pip take profit, and then we're gonna try to enter these sells at 142 flat if it does come down to here. Let's see if we can get this buy stops activated. And as far as from EU trade, we're still in profit, but the trade looks like it's going to reverse. As you guys can see, we're rejecting this area right here, which is the support. But since we only have to use trend line for this challenge, we can't really do anything about it. But a better entry on this trade would have been right here, and below this little 2 wicks here, or a cleaner entry could have been here. But we took this entry based on trend line, and let's see if we can hit our first take profit. So I put another buy stop and sell stop on AJ. So our buy stop is at 9,400, and then our sell stop is at 93,980. The reason why is that looking at the 5-minute time frame, as you guys can see, we formed a structure here and a structure there. So bearish trend line and a bullish trend line. Below here we'll enter a sell, above here we'll enter a buy. So let's see if we can get these sell stops or buy stops activated. And then as far as EU, we're still in profit. So as you guys can see, we're in 3 trades right now, EJ, EU, and AJ. So currently on AJ, we're in drawdown and almost got stopped out here, about 2 or 3 pips away. Let's check on EJ. EJ is in profit, back to entry, and then as well as EU, we're in drawdown again. So we have hit TP1 on AJ. I'm gonna move this to 20 pips, and let's see if you can hit 20 pips. And as far as from closing trade, this trade I will close it at 20 pips. I'm gonna try to shoot for 1 to 2 at least. But if I do close early, I'll let you guys know. So I'll be closing AJ at almost 15 pips in profit. Looks like volume is dead, so might come back to entry. So it's better to close AJ as it is. It would have been better if we could have closed partials, but since we don't have that option here, we're just gonna close fully. There we go. Let's check on EU. This is still in drawdown, but EJ looks like we're almost hitting TP1 here. So if we do hit TP1, we're gonna be 2 for 0, and if EU comes back to TP1, it'll be 3 for 0. So little update on EU, we have hit TP1, and I'm gonna move my take profit to 20 pips. And if I do close early, I'll update you guys. And as far as from EJ, we almost got stopped out here, but we're still in here, and it's back in profit. Let's see if we can hit TP1 here. So we have taken 163,450, which was this trend line right here on DJ. Currently we're in drawdown. Let's see if we can hit TP1. So EJ hit TP1 as well, which is about 60 cents. And unfortunately, we got stopped out on GJ. So far, 4 trades, 3 up, 1 down. I'm gonna close this trade. So I've taken another trade on EJ, which got stopped out, which left us at negative 0.74 cents. So we took 5 trades. Out of 5 trades, 2 of them got stopped out and 3 of them hit TP1. But just 5 trades were up 10% on the account. So as you guys saw, we took 5 trades. Out of 5 trades, 2 of them got stopped out, 3 of hit take profit, which leaves us being 10% in profit for the account. That's just with 5 trades. So imagine if we take 10 trades or 15 trades per day. Keep you guys updated as we go through it. This is just for an experiment, guys. Do not try this at home. Do not try this on your own account. I don't recommend it. It's damn near gambling. We're just experimenting if you can actually trade with just trend line. But so far we have taken 5 trades. Out of 5 trades, 2 of them got stopped out. So we're gonna try to take this $10 account to 100, and then from 100 to 1,000, and then from 1,000 to 10,000. Worst case scenario, if it goes bad, we're gonna find that out as well, but main goal is to flip it to $10,000. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure you guys join the free chat that I'll be linking it down in the description. Other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode.